Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss about the first concept, that is law of demand. Their explanations. Law of demand defined the states that the other things remain the same. The quantity demanded of a good increases when its price falls and decreases when its price rises. In simple words, price increase, demand decrease. Price decrease and demand increase. This is an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. Next, we will see about the demand schedule. The demand schedule shows the relationship between price and quantity demanded. So, at the price of 10, quantity demanded is 50, and at the price of 80, quantity demanded increases to 50 to 60, and when price reduced to 4, and quantity demanded increased to 90. So, we can see when price hike, what will happen. As price falls from rupees 10 to 4, demand increases from 50 to 90 units. And next, how we can draw this demand schedule into a curve. The curve slows from left to right. It shows the inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. The basic assumptions behind this law of demand is income of the consumer remains constant, price of the related goods and substitutes and complements, taste and preferences, number of consumers, expectations about future prices, no change in government policies. All these are remains constant when the law holds. What is the reason for the inverse relationship of this law of demand is, first one is substitution effect. When the price of a good falls, consumers substitute it for costlier alternatives. That is some much more cost higher prices product. The second one is income effect. A fall in price increases consumers' real income, allowing them to buy more. Third one is diminishing marginal utility. As consumers buy more units, additional satisfaction decreases. So they will only buy extra units at lower prices. So what are the exemptions to this basic law of demand? There are rare cases where demand increases when price decreases. Sorry, when demand increases when price increases. First one is given goods. Second is Veblen or status symbol goods. Third one is expectation of future price rise. And fourth, necessities with no close substitutes. And fifth one is ignorance effect. Consumers think high price means high quality. That's all. So the when related to these types of things, whenever the price increase, the demand is also increased. So finally, when we